Welcome guys. So in this video I'll be installing a Oettinger roof spoiler and a slim lip. You probably saw it from the thumbnail. Probably saw it from the thumbnail. You probably saw it from the thumbnail. Let's give you a backstory of no backstory. I don't have a backstory. The reason I put it on is because I like it. Okay, so round 2. My camera cut out, the memory card is full. Yeah, nice setup, Wes. So with all the research I've done, I saw a lot of boot spoilers or roof spoilers. Why do I keep on saying boot spoilers? I saw a lot of roof spoilers. You get the Batman wing, you get the Oettinger, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, and you do get the extensions. But the one I got it from Panda Customs. I really like the design. I also like the way it fitted. But let's get everything clear first. So the reason why I'm recording this is because the footage I shot, the energy level wasn't there and the excitement wasn't there. I'm still going to show the footage of where I install it, and I was flipping the wing this way, I'm flipping the wing that way while explaining. I'll show you the clip. So yeah, so hopefully this will boost it a bit. I know you guys don't like it. I'm not sure how you guys like it. I know I don't like it when they talk too much. So I'm going to try and lessen that. Or do you say listen? I'll try and listen it, but for this video I'll have to do it a lot. About to prep the roof spoiler. I do have my alcohol here, 70%, and my lappy. So yeah, let's start. Okay. So now we will be cleaning all the parts that will be making contact with the car. Just make it wet. Just make it wet. Okay, time to add the adhesive.
Hallo, look.
Hello, oh, come on.
Je hoorde met die vast voor het water.
Oh, kom on.
Kom.
Time to put it on.
Kwai!
Okay, so the adhesive has been added. Super nervous though. So the adhesive has been added, so what I need to do now is add the masking tape just to make sure that everything is pushed down on the parts that they need to be pushed down so that everything sits perfectly. Okay, so now we're just adding this quickly. I just want to say thank you for all the subscribers. Thank you for all the support so far. Thank you for all the comments. Thank you for all the likes. I didn't get any dislikes yet. Hopefully they don't grow. Hopefully I don't get it. Yeah. Yeah, please don't dislike the video. Thank you for sharing, guys. I really appreciate all the support. Share it with your friends, share it with your grandma, share it with your uncle, your auntie. If you don't have an auntie or uncle, share it with your cat or your dog or your neighbor. Yeah, so yeah, see you in the next one.
Shout out to Boxcom.